I had learned attunement very early in my life. Attunement is an energetic therapy. In my experience of helping people, what happened was I helped them kind of breathe through and go through their trauma and held this space for them. But I found that it wasn't complete. And then I learned something called somatic experiencing. And when I learned somatic experiencing, I learned that I can help a person go into their body, into their nervous system, and unfreeze what's stuck there or release what's stuck in the body. And then combining it with attunement, it helps the flow of the energy much better through the nervous system. Attunement works with the nervous system, so when I'm holding a space for the nervous system and something is releasing, it allows this release to happen more smoothly, more clearly, and without a lot of drama. A lot of people think that trauma therapy needs drama. We don't need so much drama. We need a tiny bit, and then we go through the body and release it. So if you're interested in learning how to discharge the trauma from your body, I'd be happy to help you.